Hey there, friends. Ever heard of Leo Buscaglia? He once said, "Change is the end result of all true learning." Today, we're going on a journey of transformation, and you're invited. Let's start with a story. Imagine a guy, let's call him Jack. Jack was stuck in a job he didn't like, feeling like he was going nowhere. But then, he discovered a book on personal growth. He started learning, changing his mindset, and guess what? He quit his job and started his own business. But how did Jack do it? He used tools like visualization, setting clear goals, and embracing a growth mindset. He visualized his success, set achievable goals, and believed he could learn and grow. Now let's talk about Sarah. She was always shy, afraid to speak up. But she decided to change. She started attending public speaking workshops, learning from her experiences. And now, she's a confident speaker, inspiring others with her words. Sarah's tools were different. She used affirmations, practiced in front of a mirror, and joined a local Toastmasters club. She told herself every day that she could speak confidently, practiced her speeches, and got feedback from others. So, what can we learn from Jack and Sarah? It's simple. Change is the end result of all true learning. And the tools for this change? They're right here, in our stories, in our experiences. We've got a challenge for you. Reflect on your own life. What's one thing you want to change? And what can you learn to make that change happen? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, friends, we're all on this journey together. So, let's learn, let's change, and let's grow. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Uplift in Shorts. We'd love to hear your growth stories, so don't be shy, share them with us. And if you're looking for more tools and strategies, stay tuned. We've got plenty more to share. Until next time, keep learning, keep changing, and keep growing. See you soon.